Presenting Ella the rat.
After crossing the dowel rod, we gave Ella a treat in order to increase the behavior that we desired, which was Ella crossing the dowel rod. This is an example of positive reinforcement, adding something pleasant, the treat, to increase the behavior, the trick, or crossing the dowel rod.
Okay, let's try it again.
While attempting the long jump, Ella was doing well until she fell. After her fall, she stopped trying to jump. This behavior is called associative learning, where Ella was associating the end of the desk with the fall or pain. Because we stopped encouraging Ella to jump, she experienced extinction, meaning she stopped jumping because she was not being reinforced with encouragement. In order to get Ella to jump after her fall, we decided to use negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement is when you add something negative to increase the behavior, and once the behavior is completed, you take away the annoying stimulus. The reason why negative reinforcement works is because Ella will then either experience escape or avoidance. Escape means that if a negative stimulus is applied, Ella will perform the desired behavior in order to stop the negative stimulus. Avoidance is when Ella will jump before we start the negative stimulus in order to prevent the negative stimuli, which in this case was the pounding on the desk behind her. Since Ella began to jump again after her fall when she experienced extinction, this is spontaneous recovery, the return of a conditioned response, jumping after a period of extinction. While teaching Ella to play basketball, we became frustrated because she was not fully grasping the concept. As we continued to reward her after getting close to the ball, then eventually getting the ball in the basket, we realized this represented the Thorndike's law of effect. The law of effect states that when a behavior is followed by satisfaction, then these will become attached and the behavior is more likely to occur. Shaping is when you train your rat to do one thing at a time. For example, when training Ella to jump through the hurdles, we first started with one hurdle. When she completed one hurdle, we would reward her. We did this a few times, and then we added a second hurdle. After she got the second hurdle down, we added a third. Then she quickly picked up the hurdle jumping with minimum distractions.
You gotta do it, Ella.
All right, try again. You can lead her with your hand.
I know, come on.
Chaining is when you take several learned behaviors and link them together. For example, in an obstacle course. First, we taught Ella each trick individually. After she knew each trick, we set them up together and led her through the course several times until she learned that to get a treat, she must complete all of the tricks.
Don't even put your hand. Don't even put your hand.
I know, come on.
Okay, that.